Hello teachers. In this video, I'm going to pretend I am looking at my grades for a year-long class. If I am not sure for the fourth quarter if I am seeing all of my assignments for the whole year, I think I might be missing some. I'm going to go back through every quarter's gradebook to double check. So I'm going to start with first quarter. So I hovered over my class focus here and I clicked to under periods, first quarter grading mark periods. Next, I'll hover over gradebook and click on assignments. Instead of the assignments tab here, I'm going to click on grading periods. What I will want to make sure I have is for all first quarter assignments, so assignments given August 23rd through October 29th, I should have checked for first, second, third, and fourth quarter. You may have multiple pages if you have more than 10 assignments, so make sure you click Save Grading Periods. Click Next and repeat this process for any other first quarter assignments. Next in this class, I will hover over the class focus and click on under periods, second quarter grading mark periods. Instead of assignments, I'll click on grading periods. So my goal for this part here is to check the second quarter window assignments. So for any assignments where the due date range is November 1st through January 20th, it should be checked off for second, third, and fourth quarter. And I'll click Save. If there's anything missing, you can fix that by unchecking or checking boxes and click Save. You'll repeat this process for third and fourth quarter. You may use the dates listed here to help you know which boxes should be checked. So first quarter window should have first, second, third, and fourth quarter checked. Second quarter window assignment should have second, third, and fourth quarter checked. Third quarter window assignment should have third and fourth quarter checked. And fourth quarter window assignments should have just fourth quarter checked.